subscribe to your point of view, hit the bell icon and get notified each time I upload a new video. Because whatever you do, winter is coming. Hey, what's happening guys, it's your host Amok back with another interesting video. And today we will be comparing two of the best budget earphones from the same company, that is boAt BassHeads 100 and boAt BassHeads 225. So without any further ado, let's get started. Now before we begin, let me tell you that I have already posted full reviews of both of the earphones. The link for them will be in the description below as well as in the I button over here. Also, if you wish to buy either of the two, then the direct buying link is in the description too. So don't forget to buy from those particular links as it helps out the channel too. Both of these earphones are available on Amazon between 500 to 700 rupees depending upon if there is any discount or sale going on. So don't forget to check out the best deal before you buy. Anyways, now coming back to the comparison, I have divided the same into 7 categories. So let's start with the first category, which is about the build quality. Now with regards to build quality, I will give my vote to BassHeads 225 for the obvious fact that it is made out of metal. The part which goes inside of your ears is made up of metal, whereas with the BassHeads 100 it is pure plastic. Then moving on to comfort, both of them fit very easy in your ears, but if I have to pick one, then I would pick the BassHeads 100. Well, in case of BassHeads 225, I always need to use these wingtips in order to make them fit tight, but with BassHeads 100, there is no wingtip provided, nor I think it is required cause they fit without them in just one shot. Now let's talk about the loudness. Both of them are loud enough to be enjoyed, but again if I have to choose one, then I would pick the BassHeads 225. Don't get me wrong, BassHeads 100 are also loud, but if we compare it side by side, then the BassHeads 225 sounds a bit louder in my opinion. After that, let's talk about the bass quality. As the name suggests, both of them are meant for bass heads, but which one has better bass which does not muddle the music? Well, the real winner is the BassHeads 225. So does that mean BassHeads 100 does not have good bass? Well, no. Let me explain it in a short way. When it comes to only bass, BassHeads 225 are best. But if you want not only punchy bass but also clear mids and highs, then the BassHeads 100 has a good advantage. And that is why I would choose BassHeads 100 as the winner with regards to bass quality, as it is very balanced in my opinion. But still, if you are okay with the very high bass which sometimes muddle the clarity, then you can go with the BassHeads 225. Now moving on to treble, if you listen to songs which has a bit of treble in it, or if you like treble in your music, then go with BassHeads 100 again. Because due to the fact that it has a balanced sound, it can boost up the treble most of the time, and also you can enjoy it more if you play a little bit with the equalizer. Now moving on to vocals, again I would choose BassHeads 100 because it not only produces heavy bass but also clear vocals. If you listen to pop music or even acoustic songs for that matter, then you will be happy more with the BassHeads 100. And last but not the least, the microphone quality. Well, for that, here are the two separate samples from both of these earphones microphone so that you can decide which one is better for you. So this is a quick sound test of the microphone from this boAt BassHeads 100. The audio right now you're listening is being recorded via this earphone's built-in microphone, and this is how it sounds when I keep the microphone close to my mouth while talking, and this is how it sounds when I keep the microphone slightly away from my mouth while talking. And now this is a quick sound test of the microphone from the boAt BassHeads 225, and the audio again right now you're listening is being recorded via this boAt BassHeads 225's built-in microphone, and again this is how it sounds when I keep the microphone close to my mouth while talking, and this is how it sounds when I keep the microphone slightly away from my mouth while talking. So which one should you go for? Well, as you saw in the comparison, BassHeads 100 won in most of the categories, so definitely it is the clear winner here. But then why should you buy BassHeads 225? Well, if you want high bass, better build quality and also a less tangled cable, then you can buy BassHeads 225. Overall, both of them are very good. Again, sound is a very subjective concept, so what I like may not be liked by you. So decide what types of music you listen and then make your decision. Also, don't forget to check out the direct buying link in the description down below, and also watch my full reviews of both of these earphones for the in-depth details. That's all for this video then. Thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a like if you enjoyed it and also subscribe to the channel for some more audio product reviews in the future. This has been Amog and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye bye and take care.